dinosaur shirt. Look.
Sit down na.
How's yours, guys?
Hi guys! So today, we are going to do a mukbang video with Travis.
Yes.
And we're just waiting for our order. Butang din mo to yung...
Can you show me how they work?
Dira imo to yung kay dira aton food karon ho.
That's so cool.
Ako Dira na gani butang danay mo to kay dira kita dayon karon makaon-kaon no. Ang dira. Ay kita bis na to. Oh, ito na yung aking food panda. La sir. Ara ka na to sir sagwa. Ano sir? Oh, hindi. Oo, magwa lang ko galing sir. Sa kalsada, nasa. Oo, pagwa na ko. Bye-bye. Okay, so, ito na yung order na may crab at...
Oh, this is order, ah.
Pinamanhas dito. Tapos, I order puro large coke. Kung sa ilang minu, puro large. Wala sila sang medium size. Hindi ko man maubos ang coke. Hindi ko mahilig mag-coke.
I get french fries.
So, we have
French fries.
fries.
And hamburgers.
And
Chicken nuggets.
Travis' favorite. No, it's a fried chicken.
Fried chicken.
And the tissue.
Yeah.
And the spoon and the fork.
And the
The gravy.
gravy. And the ketchup.
Travis, I'll go hold first. Dali ikaw. Dali ikaw, come here. Dali ikaw. Ay, finally, may ara. Nagilan sila sang black pearl.
What the
Kaya may dali ka
hell?
damang order ko sila black pearl.
9 out of 10 men say that
Yay! Woo!
looks down. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Milk tea na siya, guys. Classic milk tea.
Yep.
Hmm.
And guys, and look at where the ponies, and because they're doing something.
Thank you, Daddy. Say thank you,
Guys,
Daddy
look.
Bongbong. Travis want to dip the fries on the gravy, right?
Yeah, it's so yummy. Hey!
Itong set na to, guys, ito yung... ang magatinulo ko sa screen dapat sa ano. Hi, guys! So, itong set na to, ito yung most order namin lagi pag nag-order kami
Yummy!
online sa Foodpanda. Ito yung favorite ni Trav.
Yummy.
Right? This one's your favorite set of McDonald's. So, yeah. Kain na muna kami. Here.
Hot.
Kaya na!
Hot. Hot.
Mainit. Sorry.
So yummy.
I'm sorry, son.
Because it's so yummy.
Sorry daw ni.
Fries.
Sabi ko yaga arte-arte. May rice mo. So guys, kagapon kami tani. Kagapon tani. Tapos yan hindi na kami makdo. Siyempre wain na niya naupon sa budget. Ay kasi Travis, so aga pa doon kaluluin. Mami, ewan McDonald's, mami, ewan McDonald's. So, naisip ko mag-order na. Tapos, mukbang na lang namin. Ano na, hindi na hato. Big bite. Big mouth open. Oh, very good. Oh my gosh, naman. Favorite ko, gito pala ang milk tea sa McDo, guys. Sorry kung sa screen ako katinulok. Hindi pa ako sanay magtulok sa... Hi, Travis, are you happy? Ha? Hi, what will you say? Thank you, Daddy. Say thank you, Daddy.
Mommy, I want water.
Wait.
take it out. I'm gonna take it out. It's like, is this what you
Bira, hunta na librang burger. Wala ka ng gusto plan. Guys, focus.
Monday's going great. Any plans for today? I'm eating cereal.
Mommy, I want to eat. Stand my feet to be a bear. Oh.
You wanna try?
No,
Why?
I don't want to.
Ayun, flex na your toys to them. Oh. Hey guys, so this is the new toys of the new toy of Chubby Toys. Damo din. Daka, on man siya gali guys oh. Ay,
Mommy, look, I still.
bagay ka unsan.
Mommy,
Where's my fries?
Okay, I'm on the extra machine cake. Can you help me out?
the bone is good.
Yay! I'm strong. Oh, I have strong bones.
With Travis. Dahil may experience pa na yung Travis. Ano to? Ha? May mouse? Daganan ko naman ang sa karoon ni mapatay naman na sa... Go back na tayo ba? Idra! Mamor na ha. Last na na. Ako ka, una na yung fries oh. Oh.
No, 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 no.
Labas! Bye-bye! Gagod yung katsula ko yung sinadlook ko eh. Hi guys! So that's it for today's vlog. And enjoy kami ni Travis kakakain. Anyway, meron pa kaming fries. Look at that. Tapos na mga outro na to. Let's say bye na. Follow Travis on his TikTok account. It's at Travis Vega 2016. So nag-upload dun si Travis ng mga toys niya. Right?
Yes.
So, hanggang dito na lang guys ang aming vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Till our next mukbang. Bye! Bye na, Trav!
Yeah, like Play-Doh. Well, it's like a